talk about Dogecoin for a second. I know, this is a stock trading and investing channel, like predominantly stocks. But, look, you gotta take notice as to what's going on with Dogecoin. Now, I posted a story here and on Instagram saying, hey, if you're asking if it's too late to get involved in something that is up 250% in a month, I think you know the answer. Evidently, I was wrong because I got like 40 DMs saying I don't know the answer. So let's talk about it. And I understand that the stock market and crypto are very different in a lot of ways, but there are some similarities as well. All the way back in the early 1940s, 1950s, there was this line that when you heard or when you got a stock tip from the shoe shine boy, that it was too late to get into that trade. That, in other words, if even the little kid who's shining your shoes is telling you, hey, I heard about this great new stock, then it's too little too late to get in. The move has already happened. This is the year-to-date chart for Dogecoin. You can see that it is up 321% since the beginning of the year. But this right here is what I want you to be looking at, this gigantic green candle. This is recent. In the last 5 days alone, the stock, see, this is how my mind works. I just think everything is stocks. The cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, is up 76% in just 5 days. But in the last month, it is up 245%. That's insane. And look, nobody knows what's going to happen next, especially with something as volatile as Dogecoin. This thing kind of has a mind of its own. But generally, broadly speaking, by the time the shoe shine boy is telling you about a cryptocurrency, or by the time everyone on the internet is going, oh my God, this is going to make us rich, it's too little too late, usually. Now, generally speaking, the way I think the human mind works is they look at something like Dogecoin and they go, oh my God, I can't believe I'm missing out on this, right? FOMO. And listen, I don't mean to burst bubbles and be negative and disappoint people. I know that especially when it relates to crypto, that when crypto is not doing well, everyone is like, haha, I told you. But when it is doing well, all those same people are like, oh, maybe I should invest. And I get that a lot of people are struggling financially and they look to crypto as this kind of once in a lifetime thing. A lot of crypto really surges, right? Dramatically. 250% in a month is pretty unusual in traditional finance like the stock market. So I understand this appeal and this desperation to make a little bit of money because people are struggling, but please be careful. 1 month ago, Dogecoin was 11 cents. Now it's almost 40. So imagine 1 month ago, you're watching Dogecoin at around 11 cents and you're going, this thing is such a gimmick. I can't believe people fall for this. And you miss this. It just rockets 245%. What's your first thought? Oh man, I can't believe I missed it. But what's your second thought? Well, maybe if I buy it here at 39 cents, I'll catch the next 245% move. And yes, there's always going to be that one anomaly, that one stock or crypto that just keeps on pumping higher and higher and higher, even though most people think, okay, this thing is done. GameStop, perfect example. It was a penny stock. It was $30. It was $90. It was $150. It was $200, $300, $400, and it just kept going until it didn't. And with something like GameStop, I remember my phone just off the hook, texts, DMs, phone calls. Hey, should I buy this thing? It was 29, now it's 80. And I was like, are you kidding? It's more than doubled in like no time at all. This thing's gonna tank. And it kept going higher and higher. So listen, you're gonna do what's best for you and your financial situation, but just broadly speaking, remember that when something pumps this dramatically in this quick of a time frame, that there are a lot of people who bought in when it was 11 cents or under. And they didn't just buy, $100 worth. They bought thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth. And they're going to be taking some profits here. The very first time that I bought Dogecoin, it was 5 cents. This was years ago. And I bought thousands of dollars worth of it. And when it hit 20 cents, I went, whoa, I'm going to take a little. And then it went higher. I think it hit 50 cents. And I went, whoa, I'm going to take a little more. And then Elon Musk was going on Saturday Night Live to pump Dogecoin. And everyone was going, oh man, it's going to hit $1. It's going to hit $1. It's going to hit $1. And it just, hold on, let me see if I can find the chart. Here it is. We got the 5-year right here. So I'm guessing that this is when the whole Saturday Night Live thing was happening. Now, see this big green guy right here? All this hysteria is the FOMO, is the people going, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Whereas the smart money is going, oh, they think it's going to get to $1. I'm going to step in here and take some profit. What have I always said when it comes to stock trading? As a stock trader, and the same can be applied to crypto, your goal isn't to make all of the money, just some of it. What's another line? Nobody ever went broke taking a profit. The smart money, when everyone else is going, oh my God, and rushing in, the smart money is formulating their exit strategy. Does it mean that it's going to happen this time? Your guess is really truly as good as mine. I don't know, you don't know. Again, you're going to do what's best for you and your money. But when I look at something like this, which has had an insane run, my goal is to start thinking about taking some profit, not holding out for more. There's this great quote, and I wish I could remember it, but it's something along the lines of, if your stock or crypto goes up 50% or more in a day, a week, or a month, you take half of the profit. And if it goes up 50% or more in a year, 2 years, or 3 years, you buy more. It should go without saying that when something has gone up this much in such a quick period of time, 250% in a month, that the smart money is looking to take profit and step away. Now look, maybe it pulls back a little bit and surges higher because people rush in. They go, oh, this didn't fall off a cliff. It dropped a little bit, held support, and then bounced. That could happen. But again, remember, my goal isn't to make all the money. When my Dogecoin hit, I think around 55 or 60 cents right before SNL, I looked at it and I said, I don't think this is going to happen. I think the smart money is exiting. So I exited. Now, did I sell my entire position? No, I held a bunch. Just because, hey, YOLO, right? You never know. But I had that feeling that it wasn't going to hit $1. Evidently, a lot of other smart money investors and traders looked at this day on Saturday Night Live and said, you know what? I bought it all the way down here, 64 cents, close enough. I'm going to take out most of my profit, which is exactly what I did. I think I sold it around 55 cents. And look what ended up happening. It tanked. It almost looks like it never quite recovered. Now, will it this time? Will it hit 64 cents? Will it go above? I don't know. Just to reiterate, by the time there's mass hysteria around something like this that is up dramatically, the last thing you want to do is become something called a bag holder. You buy it when it's all the way up here because you think, shit, I missed the first big run. If I buy it here, it'll go up another 250%. That doesn't usually happen. What ends up happening is you buy it at the highs. The smart money goes, oh, hell no. Smart money didn't buy it at the highs. Smart money bought it down here. They wrote it up and they got out at 55, 60 cents. When everyone else was going, I hope it goes to $1. That's when the smart money is going, you know what? I bought it down here. It's 64 cents. I'm good. And they sell. So here's one last expression I'll leave you with that's big on Wall Street. Bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. And smart investors always smash that follow. See you later.